The passengers on the Titan submersible were OceanGate CEO Stockton Rush, Pakistani businessman Shahzada Dawood, and his son Suleiman Dawood, Titanic expert Paul-Henri Nargeolet, and British billionaire Hamish Harding, who serves as chairman for Action Aviation. OceanGate Expeditions CEO and founder Stockton Rush was a British businessman, pilot, explorer, adventurer, and space tourist based in the United Arab Emirates. He was the founder of Action Group and was chairman of Action Aviation, an international aircraft brokerage company with headquarters in Dubai, UAE. French deep-sea explorer and Titanic expert, known as Mr. Titanic, Nargeolet, dived more than 35 times, brought back artifacts and images. Shahzada Dawood was a Pakistani and British businessman, investor, and philanthropist. The vice chairman of Endro Corporation, a conglomerate owned by one of the richest families in Pakistan. Dawood and his 19-year-old son, Suleiman, were killed alongside 3 others when the Titan submersible imploded during a tourist expedition to view the wreck of the Titanic. Suleiman Dawood, 19, loved science fiction. Suleiman told one of their relatives that he was terrified about the voyage. Suleiman went on the trip with his dad because he wanted to make his dad happy, and it fell on the Father's Day weekend.